Brass Eagle Adventures, Sharpshooter.
Our tracking equipment shows your target is coming in range.
You should see him any minute now.
Copy that. I have eyes on the target.
Our sources state that he is planning to detonate thermite. On top of the canister that contains the contaminate, the canister is impregnable otherwise. You can shoot and destroy the detonator before he sets it off.
Copy that. It appears that he is surveying the area. Maybe checking to see if anyone is watching him.
How's your cover?
We are well hidden. He can't see us.
He is demanding more money now.
Darren, he has increased his demands.
Stand by. He's setting the explosive up now.
Darren, now he is threatening to detonate in 1 hour.
No worries. We have a clear shot. Stand by. Detonator first. Clear to fire.
What the?
Take out his radio. Clear to fire. Take him down.
Gah.
On target. You got him in the upper thigh.
Yes, I shot him in the sciatic nerve. He's not going anywhere. Threat eliminated. Suspect is in custody. He's going to need an airlift out of here.
They better hurry. I'm going to bleed to death.
Oh please, just keep pressure on your wound and you will be fine.
He missed your femoral artery by inches. The pain you are feeling is your sciatic nerve. Sit still and be quiet.
He's lucky we took the case. Anyone else and he would be dead.
The end, and the adventure continues. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button, share this video, drop a comment, and don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.